Just do like an overall trading contest.
All right, what's up, everyone? Welcome to today's live stream. Alex has no idea that we actually have a countdown timer and that we have Roman in the background saying,
I can't take you seriously.
live.
I can't take you seriously with these
Now,
lights.
what do you think about my lights, guys? I got new lights. I just installed them, and I'm not really sure exactly how they work, but apparently they are activating when I'm speaking. So when I go quiet, there's nothing. So yeah, if you
get into trades already, can I get into a trade?
You're in one, aren't you?
No.
If anyone out there is suffering from what Alex called epileptic, is that the word they used? If anyone is an epileptic, that's Alex's words, then be aware of my screen. Dude, I am getting weird looking at this. I gotta fix this.
If we mute you, does that make any difference?
Are there any rules for this trading competition?
Yeah.
No, just trade.
Yeah, like
I
you
Can I look at higher time frame?
No, not the high time frames. Look at the 1 minute. This is a trading competition, not a.
Oh mate, my other trade on gold is not doing well. Okay.
Okay, I found an app. For the lamp. Apparently, I got it on music mode.
Your voice is so melodic.
Do we only have an amount of
look at the.
What are the rules?
Calm melodies in the background.
What are the rules?
What are you talking about? What rules? You make money, you win. You make money,
like
you win.
how much does it? Is it like how much risk are we allowed? Are we allowed a certain amount of risk? Can we just do whatever?
When has that ever stopped you? When has the risk limit ever stopped you?
If it's obviously there's different levels in here. I don't want to keep it fair.
If you lose the account, you lose.
If you lose the account, but I'm trading on the normal account. I'm trading on this. Okay, whatever. Should we stick to $1,000 drawdown?
Well, you're kind of like. Oh, so you're trading on your actual account that you care about?
Yeah.
You're gonna blow that anyway. So what does it? Just trade.
Well,
we're gonna do giveaways as well, guys. As always, we're gonna do giveaway, but this giveaway is gonna be a little bit special. I don't know how special.
It's a special giveaway. Why? Because you've got your
we'll figure something out.
As well,
special live stream.
Great. Now Jonatan is more annoying.
Who the fuck says that? Who's that person? I don't even have the chat open. Is this someone? Is this someone I know? Is this some regular? Annoying.
Wild Use, he's
just wonder. Oh no!
Oh, Wild Use, yeah. Well, he's well, I'm not gonna say he's not annoying. So
did you put this in the Discord? Does people actually know that this is happening right now?
What, our live stream?
No, I used to.
Yeah.
No. This is.
Or this is like an internal.
Yeah. It's not. Well, we're just trying some stuff out here.
I got you. Okay, my PAXG is failing.
Yeah. Like so many other things.
Yeah, but not like my BNB. I was gonna say BNB bitch, but
you said it anyway.
Yeah.
Oh my god. Well, I should be shorting here, I think. But I'm gonna short PAXG. I got a fresh 100k two-step account, which means my max stop is 6%. And if you guys think we're gambling in the comment section, you are absolutely right.
Yeah. I am definitely not gambling. This is a trade that I would take any day of the week. I think you should post this in the Discord.
Yeah, of course. Post it in the Discord. Go ahead.
I swear that's your job, though.
Really? Is it? That's my job?
I swear that's your job to post stuff in the Discord.
Not your job to be Mr. Disco Lights.
Whenever, I mean, I got a new job. I got, obviously, I'm the main show here with the lights and everything. God, this is ridiculous. I gotta do something about this. I should try to get it into the thing here I can press.
Oh, there we go. That was better. No, that's rubbish.
I think with some belly dance, it will match the vibe.
Jonatan doing a belly dance. That's surely an upgrade on him dressed as a clown.
I think I would probably be I'd probably be famous, obviously.
More than you already are.
Yeah.
Good
Okay, so
afternoon,
we got
Boris.
Orange. What's up, Boris? How's it going? You're in the background. Oh, they can't. All right, there we go.
Too many guys.
So now we're just
too
gonna
many
fix
dudes in this shit.
Oh, you want more women?
Yes.
Okay,
Jonatan doesn't
PAXG.
have
We
enough
can
of them.
go.
Oh no! Did
Well,
it just wipe me out? No, I was just exit liquidity on PAXG.
Okay, so I need to do something here. Finger sketch. It has an. I can do a finger sketch on the light.
You can. Yeah,
what is
yeah,
that?
absolutely you can. Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Look at this. It says
Keep your
finger.
fingers where we can see them. We don't need any.
Yo, listen. It says.
fingering
Listen. It
happening.
says a finger sketch. Can you see that?
Mhm.
What are we
Okay,
doing?
so it's orange. What's the actual colors of Tradeify Crypto? It's like blue and orange.
You are literally the host of the Tradeify Crypto stream. How do you not know this? Oh, mate. Okay, I'm getting smashed.
That one is these ones are way brighter. Why isn't that bright? Oh, it's like pulsating.
I think the words
Okay,
we're looking
so
for are anyway.
PAXG is not doing too well, to be fair. I
Is
was
it really
thinking-
important to trade only gold?
Pardon? I was thinking that we were gonna, because to be fair, we are right on, this resistance, but we've had quite a few different touches, and this bit of price action, I thought it was like a break retest continuation to at least take out these highs, but it's causing me a little bit of a problem because I'm in another trade with my stop just underneath that candle, and I'm quite heavy, to be honest.
Time for a diet.
Yeah. Thing is, I don't know what these lot with their spreads have got going on, but they've definitely made their spreads worse over the last few months. I will not say the name, but they are garbage right now. Like, I had to pay what on gold? I had to pay how many points? Too many.
Too many points.
Too many points. We can go through all of the different crypto coins. To be fair, I think everything looks fairly decent. To be fair, Jupe actually looks like it wants to go up for a little bit more. Kyoto, which was the trade that we had on yesterday, which hit really nice. Rune, well, I don't know what that is. Like, what is actually going on with that? There's no liquidity in some of these. XPL. Has anybody ever heard about XPL before?
No.
XPL.
No.
Yeah.
XPL sounds like a commodity.
The liquidity in crypto is just dry.
Yeah. Why I can't? Why is the lighting not working?
It is. It stopped flashing.
All right. I'm just going to focus on BNB.
Yeah, but it's too bright.
Wait, hold on, Boris.
Right.
How was your birthday, mate?
Yeah, happy birthday, man. Boris' birthday yesterday.
Thank you. Yeah, I turned 27. Oh,
27.
27? Oh my god, you look like 15. Holy shit.
You gotta get out of crypto. You gotta stop trading crypto. Like, I think
That's
trading's made us all age.
but you know what?
What did you get to do for your birthday?
I went to this brewery in Shingu, had a few beers,
Oh, very
and
nice.
then the night was going very well until we got into a taxi and a scooter driver crashed into the back of our car, and he went flipping over the car, and thought I just saw a person die, but luckily he stood up, and that kind of ruined my night, to be honest.
I bet it ruined his night as well.
Well, yeah, and we exchanged numbers with the driver. Like, if you need like our evidence or whatever, our witness report, then just call us. And then he starts sending pictures of the guy in the hospital, and I'm like, man,
Wow.
you've ruined my birthday. But I hopefully the guy's okay. And you know what? I think Bali's not a good place to be anymore. I think it's time to go back to the modern world.
Well, don't say that. I'm about to move there. Why is it not good anymore?
It's just the infrastructure there is third world. You have like first world amenities, but like people just don't care about their personal safety. Like the guy wasn't wearing a helmet. It was late at night.
See, I'm fine with that.
The roads are terrible. Okay.
Yeah, you're talking with Alex. Like, he doesn't care.
Yeah, I'm like super okay with that. Like,
He'll do 150 miles on a motorbike without his helmet.
This was
I would love that.
This was the first accident I saw throughout my whole time in Bali. So, you know, accidents happen whether you're in New York, London, Dubai, whatever. I was in an accident in Dubai, in New York. So, just be careful and wear a helmet, you guys. Like, I see families, like literal families, like a mother, father, and a child on a motorbike, and they're not wearing helmets. Like, it's ridiculous.
Sounds great.
You're talking to an audience of traders. Like, it's
This is,
you know,
look, we need to use risk management, guys.
take on risk, man. You gotta bet more, go in bigger lot size.
Okay. USD looks
all
like it's
about-
going to get a push, so we'll see what happens on crypto. I don't think there was an email pushed out about this competition.
Because I came up with the competition 20 minutes ago.
Oh my god. Bloody hell. God.
Where we do things.
Yay.
Alex, you're acting as if you've only just met Jonatan.
I'm acting like I wasn't the one that brought him on.
All right, nah, that background lighting looks really bad. Why is it pink? Okay, Roman thinks it's okay. It's okay.
I think you're good. We need to get a little bit of a pumping up. Is anybody else in a trade? So we've got Michael in a trade. We've got Ayush in a trade.
Ayush, are you in a sell?
Yeah, you're both in sells.
No, I'm in a buy.
Oh.
All right, let's go. Let's take some. Let's make some money. I'm gonna be buying here. How much am I gonna buy? What's the max lot size I can buy here? Can we go in with 10 lots? Is that big enough? Or is that nothing?
I think you're getting confused with FX, bro. Actually, yeah, you can do like 10 lots. Do 10 lots on Pepe. You know.
No, I'm doing 10 lots on PAX.
Ah, okay. PAX is different.
Okay, so what's the stop? Yeah, I can probably go in with 100 lots on this one. Or 1,000. Let's try 1,000.
You're not gonna get 1,000. You're not gonna get 1,000 on there. You got 5 leverage.
I can do 100 though. I can't do 100. Let's do 10 more then.
Are you actually working out risk on this? Like, we're taking it seriously. What does the winner actually win? Have we not got that far?
Again, have you just met Jonatan?
That's a really good question. That's a really good question. What do you want to
I
win?
know what the loser gets. The loser. The loser. I was going to say clown suit, but we've done clown suit too much. I think the chat.
Okay,
chat
wait. Let's.
Okay,
the chat. Yeah.
Chat needs to
Think
decide.
about
What does the loser have to do?
the most outrageous thing you could think about.
You have to dress up as a woman.
What? That's normal today, though. I mean, that's not really very outrageous. So
we're gonna get cancelled.
the most outrageous thing you could think about, put it in the. Well, Glenn says can't put a dress on. I could do that,
You put
but
it
I
just
am
on dress
afraid
and
that
makeup.
not makeup. Isn't
Yeah,
that
dress and
it's
makeup.
shave your eyebrows? No.
No, okay, we're not shaving.
Nothing permanent.
We're not
Or
shaving
permanent.
anything. Like nothing.
No,
there's
it's not
no.
permanent. Eyebrows are not permanent. Shave your head.
Yo, wild dudes get timed out. Wow.
Hold on a
Okay.
second, but we're trading with different risk, different accounts. We're gonna have to do by percentage P&L then.
Yeah, so the thing is, I was planning a bigger tournament, but obviously, you know, Tradeify got the grand thing going on right now, so you know, can't take the spotlight from that huge event that is going on right now. But as soon as all of that is done, then we'll do a trading tournament that lasts longer than just now.
You've upset wild deuces. What's wild deuces? Every effing day I chat here and I get timed out. Don't know why that keeps happening, mate.
It's the bot. It's not us.
Yeah,
it's
the bot really doesn't like him, and he wasn't even spamming. Like he was just saying shave your eyebrows, and then the bot says, "Timed out, you're spamming."
Hate speech.
Yeah, probably. All right, so guys, what do we need some suggestions in the chat. What are we okay, the loser of this, what does he have to do?
Wear makeup for the next live.
What kind of makeup?
I don't know, what kind of makeup do you normally wear?
The loser of the competition has to dress up like Donald Trump in the next
Oh
stream.
yeah, but that's actually great.
Yeah.
I would do that for free. You don't have to tell me to do that.
That's actually pretty fun.
But we need
okay,
the orange
question
hair.
Our question is,
You guys would need to have
Arma-
girlfriends to be able to. But yeah, I haven't got that problem. Yeah, I don't have one. So
Ayush, do you have a girlfriend?
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
That's
Look
why
at
you
that.
use the makeup.
Boris, maybe you can talk. Nah, never mind.
Boris
Do you
has
have
got
a-
a dude. Boris is in Bali, bro. Bali is not a place to have a relationship, I don't think. But he's staying very quiet, so maybe I don't.
Do you have any comments on that, Boris?
And he's
He
muted.
He muted himself. Yeah, typical.
to not get himself into trouble.
Well, if any girls are listening, I'm not cheating on you because we're not exclusive.
Oh,
We haven't agreed to any terms. So,
oh.
but I doubt any of these girls are listening to this nerdy crypto stream. But
Oh,
if
mate,
you are,
you would be surprised. 20 out of 23 people watching, it's probably half women. You'd be
Yeah,
surprised.
definitely, 100%.
They're loving this show. We're just so funny.
Mm-hmm.
Which is like super funny. And USD's not doing anything. BNB is not pushing yet.
I'm used to.
Wait, why is
long
the
on
screen?
the-
Yeah, somebody. Roman, do you want to change your screen to somebody with a trade on? I think
Yeah,
you're
mine
on.
obviously.
It's my
Yeah, put
screen.
one. Good one. Put one in the chat if you're a girl. Look, there's a lot of ones out there. Yeah, wild dudes. I
That's
knew
online.
it. I knew. That's why you're getting banned all the time.
Mad Webs, I've seen your face. Maddox Web, I think one.
Oh, have you seen his face?
Yeah, he's a man.
Where have you seen his face? Oh, on Discord. On Discord. Yeah.
On Discord.
Right. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna close this trade because I am going to close it. Yeah, I'm closing this trade. This is probably the
Wait, what trade have
the
you got open?
absolute-
That's what I want to know.
Well, I'm shorting. I was shorting gold here, but let's go to something more exotic like Doge. Can we
You
Doge
said
trade?
we are doing PAXG.
Yeah.
Yeah, I know.
Doge is doing nothing. Literally
Let's say-
nothing.
Oh, I'm gonna buy it. I'm buying Doge. It's breaking out. Definitely gonna be breaking out here. Yep, let's go. I bought one lot, which is it's not even. I need to buy maybe 1,000 of these.
Yeah, at least.
Yeah. Okay, 10,000.
Are you actually working out your risk?
No,
No,
I'm
you're
just trying to
getting-
figure out
Got ya.
what can I actually buy to
Just checking.
make
I'm
some
practically
money.
full margin on my gold.
Oh, are you long or short gold?
Long.
Long.
So annoying because I
Interesting.
just needed a bigger stop, I think, because on gold. Yeah, it took me. Yeah, that's annoying.
I could use some volatility because this is ridiculous, and I just bought resistance on Doge as well. What am I doing? This is insane. That's the worst trade probably in my life. I'm gonna close this. I'm just gonna close it all.
Do you want to give us a reason why you wanted to get into Doge, though?
Because I saw a price and I had a feeling of wanting to buy, so I pressed buy. And then when I actually did it, I looked at the chart and said I was probably just hungry.
Here goes gold.
It's going up, is it?
Yep.
Fuck. Yeah. Shouldn't have put my stop.
Oh my god, I was long on this. Why did I close that one? I was long at the very bottom, and then I closed it.
Yeah. BNB Roman, if you want to put onto my screen, is starting to get some nice price action. Starting to push nicely.
Are you in a BNB long, Alex?
Yeah, I'm in a BNB long. Just because we came down. So if I just, we came down, broke these lows, found a bid, and then we've broken out of this range and got acceptance above. And then this bit of price action was just basically 50% of that move out of the range. So that's the reason I ended up getting long. But I would have liked to see a little bit more of a faster push. Maybe I'll check MMT. I haven't checked MMT today on this particular trade either. See what's happening around the area.
I'm in a BNB long, but on a longer time frame, on the 2-day, I think this has potential to go up to $750 is my target for BNB, like long term in the next 2 weeks.
In the next 2 weeks.
Yeah. Maybe 3 weeks. 2-3 weeks. So basically what I'm looking at here, I actually put this trade on a week ago. We broke above the 21 EMA here on the 2-day with good volume and momentum, and kind of like we're straddling this 21 EMA ribbon for a while, but broke above it on the last 2-day candle.
Yeah.
And I think, if we can break above, especially 675, we'll have clear skies all the way to 750. So currently in the trade in profit. Hasn't hit my first day profit, but I'm really holding it. It looks like the market wants to push upwards here, including not just BNB but Bitcoin as well, and some altcoins. I think we're going to see a bit of a relief rally this month.
I want to get long off on Doge. Doge is looking rather nice as well. I have this, you could call it a channel descending trend line. Also, we had that like kind of what would you call it? Spring, I guess you could call that a spring. But like nice little accumulation breakout. Now, if we can get a retest onto that level, then I do think we've got like clear areas to take profit. But I'd be holding.
I'm selling gold
for a while. You're selling gold?
Selling gold. He
Oh,
can't make his
shit.
mind up, can he?
BNB does look good though. I've just had a look at BNB on the higher time frame. Very, 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 very nice into that area of demand. We look like we've had accumulation, but I'm probably going to wait just until we get like a solid break out of the range first, and then I'd probably aim for. Actually, I'd aim for where you're. 165. I think is a good target.
Yeah.
Yeah, 165.
God, I mean, profit. You guys suck.
Yeah, 165.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Switch over to my screen. Let me show you guys how this is done. Look at that entry. Yes.
That's actually not bad. That's not a bad entry, actually. I will give you that. That is actually, that's actually very nice.
That's a very nice. Very nice. I went long down here as well. And then I closed it, but I did went long. I did go long.
I think we're going to see a little bit more. If we start breaking out some of these ranges, wow, crypto could be fully on for a good couple of weeks. And there's nothing like volatility in the crypto market because it comes out of nowhere and nobody's ready for it. And then it's just like go, 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 go.
Mike, can you say something?
No, we can't hear you, mate. You're muted, mate.
I think I am.
Okay, we got a lot of sellers coming into BNB as well.
You were definitely muted, but then you said, I don't think I am. Then you weren't.
No, I wasn't. I was just miming.
Oh. Oh, hilarious.
Oh, we got a big sellers coming on right on this candle right now on BNB. Maybe
A Turtle Trader saying, "Hey guys, when is the April monthly competition winners will be announced?"
They've already been announced. So email has already gone out with the winners to say if they want the actual gadget or if they want the cash equivalent. Ayush, can you send me your MMT template?
Yes, I can.
Because you've got a pretty good. I haven't set up MMT properly yet, and you've got quite a good.
So how can I send you the template? I think
He doesn't know. He'll just ask you to send it.
You go to.
I think you're asking for the layout.
Yeah, that's the template.
Okay. I don't think so. We have any option. Yeah.
Or you can. I think there's a place where you can upload them to. You can upload them. Yeah, you can save and then upload.
We're going back up. This is stupid. Come on, gold.
Oh, okay.
Supposed to go down. Supposed to go down. Where is that drawing?
Yeah.
Can I break down Ethereum a bit?
Yeah, go for it, man. Break down Ethereum. That's what we want.
I mean, the worst trading pair for last 2-3 weeks is Ethereum, because we are getting rejection from the previous month value area high again and again. Yesterday's stream, I was screaming that finally we are after the range and it's going to be a good day, but now we are back in the range. So I hate this pair. That's all I wanted to say.
Oh, you hate it? Oh, nice.
Yeah, I think I can't use the correlation anymore, like from last 2 weeks. So I have to trade Doge and Bitcoin. I have no option because it's been weeks only.
What's that thing when you're thinking about something and then it happens?
Deja vu.
Manifesting.
Manifesting?
Yeah, you're manifesting.
You think about something and it's already happened. Deja vu.
Well, that's not what I said. That's not what I said. I literally said the opposite. you're thinking about something and then it happens.
You're having a premonition.
Premonition.
Anyway, I am.
Means.
Yeah, whatever.
Right now, we seem to have in the world's worst English lesson.
Anyway, we are projecting gold
POC.
to come lower, is what we're doing.
Medex Web is saying Jonatan is goated at this. I'm not sure what you think he's goated at, but he went long when he should have gone short. He went short when he should have gone long.
He's not talking about that. He's talking about his English. He goes.
Oh, okay.
Wait a
Jonathan's
minute,
English is
you. I went long at the bottom and I shorted at the top. How is that not exactly
what are
you're
you in right
supposed
now?
to be saying?
What are you in
What?
right now? Are you in
I'm in
profit
a
right now?
short on gold.
Are you in
I'm in
profit?
profit. Yeah,
that-
look at the screen.
That trader or that order, if you go to my screen, Roman, literally got short right on the POC. So massive amount of volume in that area. POC 635 orders, and he looks like it's just, he's not actually going down. So this could actually end up going to value area high quite easily, especially if now he's underwater. So this trader is now underwater. If he gets pressured, then we've got value area high. I think that's an easy target for us.
Yeah, absorption.
Yeah, yeah. And it's like it's not even one of these areas of supply. He just ended up getting short right on the POC.
Johnson, you're going to desperate measures, mate, to protect your $9 of profit.
Nah, man, this is what you do. You're manifesting.
Where's your mare indicator?
A man indicator. It's it's on trading. I can't add it on here, but
See, you need the mare indicator.
We should.
Jonathan, you made a great call last week about duck chain. You said that this was a good area to buy. Now,
Yeah.
I don't think we can trade this on Tradeify, but your analysis was spot on. Actually, after our stream last week, duck chain pumped 51%.
yeah, you know
After
why? Because if you
discussing-
look at restaurants and if you look at Italian restaurants and when people are normally ordering duck ragu and then it goes through this cycle, kind of like a cyclical phase, and it just so happened to be, shit, my stop loss is way too tight. How do I remove that? Okay, I need to. I don't even know how to do this. Okay, up to. Yeah, so it's fundamental analysis. Looking at duck ragu orders on Italian restaurants.
Yeah.
Because some of them actually
No.
use blockchain to distribute.
Is that what it's used for? I don't know.
Yep.
I've had it actual uses. That's good to know.
Very useful, yeah. Oh, Void is getting banned as well. Oh, it was timed out. The Void was timed out. Why?
No disassembly required. Okay,
No disassembly required. I don't know what that means.
no idea.
All right, we got Elon Musk. Elon Musk is making way for lower
What?
prices here on PAXG. Look at that. It's coming lower. It's coming lower.
Yeah.
Happening.
Mm-hmm.
We should add RSI to this. Definitely going to help the analysis. Yep. Look at that confirmation.
Don't you need some Bollinger Bands as well, though?
No, but I do feel like I need some GAN circles. Or,
Good shout.
GAN like time
Good
predictions and maybe some fib circles.
Yeah.
Do we have some fib circles here?
Fib circles is a good shout.
Yeah. Yeah, here we go. Fib. We got the fib circles right here. So if we do it, if we assume that most of Elon's creative power is sitting in his right eye, we can project the fib circles from his right eye to current prices, and that takes us exactly on the 4.618 being our TP target. So there is a lot of things happening here on this chart, but don't worry. It's all based on solid fundamental technical analysis.
Fundamental technical analysis.
Yeah.
Sounds solid.
It is solid. Okay, now that I've actually done the analysis, let's remove all of this and I'll show you. Look at that. It's perfect. Look at that. Perfect.
Really?
Yeah. What are you telling me? Are you still long on gold?
Hell yeah.
Oh, that's a terrible thing. That's not a good thing.
For you, yeah, because I'm hunting your stop loss.
Yeah, well, I keep racing it, so you'll be hunting. Look at that.
I'll happily keep going. My TP will keep moving. That's fine by me.
Yeah. Nah, but I obviously need to start protecting myself here. Where if price comes up and hits this level up here, I'll have to see if I have margin to enter another position. Yeah, that'd be great. Alex, you're awfully quiet. How much are you down?
No, I'm working in the background.
All right. Right, so we got that local resistance right there. Let's see if we can get some type of move. Honestly, this is probably the most boring price action to be doing a trading challenge on the 1 minute.
Yeah, like the dollar isn't doing anything. It's ranging right now as well. Not.
We'll get NFP on Friday. I mean, a lot of times this is what we see when we have NFP the week. All right, guys, let's remember to hit the like. We got almost 30 likes on today's live stream, which means we'll do a giveaway for sure at 30 likes. Usually what we do is we could do a giveaway at 10 and then 20 and 30, but now it seems like we're getting more people in here and then we're actually getting the likes up. So we'll make sure to do the giveaway here soon as well. So stay tuned for that. What word are we going to be dropping in the chat for today's giveaway? Yeah, I don't know. I wonder if I can enter any more positions because I feel like I want to sell in this area here. Jeremy says, Jonatan, buy BTC if you want to win. Okay, let's look at Bitcoin. Oh, okay, 1 minute actually does look quite interesting here. It's a nice little range here. I think a sell on a break, then a buy on a breakout, I think might be a break in either direction here. I think would be a good trade. But I'm holding my gold short here. I quite like this. This looks good. All right, we got to come up with how long are we going to be running this for?
What's this?
Like the competition.
It's totally up to you. I'm just trading normally, to be fair.
Yeah, well, I guess you're. Yeah, well,
it's I we're in an area of balance right now. Like it's not really doing too much. I don't know what other coins are looking like. We can have a look at some of the other coins, but I don't see that anything is actually moving too much. Engine potentially looks like it's done its break retest or already on that level, so it's already had a break and retest. So that could be a nice trade to take out those highs if we want something that is moving.
Yeah,
But
I think engine is probably going to move lower.
we can put it to the test.
I mean, it already had such an explosive move to the upside. I think it's time for it to kind of cool down a little bit.
Let's say if we were getting in on that level, so that's 1 cent away. We could put like 500 on that, divided by 0.01. 27,000. I don't know if I've got enough margin in here to do that. Wow.
Good.
I love that. Love that. Look where I got filled. Brilliant place.
Oh, nice.
Yeah, I got filled in like such a shitty area.
Do you long that? Yeah.
Yeah, I've longed engine, so let me put I can put 2 of the charts on. And then I've got BNB and engine right now. BNB is just in an area of balance. It doesn't really seem like it wants to do anything. Engine is kind of creeping up. You know, it's kind of creeping up, but the stop anyway is under all of the resistance. So if it comes down and takes all that, you know, I'm happy to be out of that trade. But overall, the whole market is like that. If you have a look at everything, even the currencies, everything is just kind of stuck in a tight range.
Yeah, but this is very normal when it's NFP week, because a lot of people are there. You know, there's no real reason to take on any major positions the day before an NFP unless there's any major like macroeconomics or any geopolitical happening. But that's usually why
the world's really quiet these days, actually, in fairness. There's really not much happening at all geopolitically.
Yeah.
What are you talking about?
It actually has been quite quiet though, compared to the first.
Compared to the first couple of months,
yeah, it's been.
Well, I don't know what you're doing, but I wouldn't say it's quiet, because Trump wakes up and then the market just starts pumping because, you know, whatever. I wouldn't say it's, you know.
Well, it's already what, half past, it's 7:45 in the US right now when he's supposed to be woken up by now. Where is his tweets?
Well,
where's his violence?
I'm reading some headlines. Apparently, a Chinese tanker has been attacked in the Strait of Hormuz, which
Wasn't that yesterday?
kind of was that yes? I don't know. I'm reading Zero
that was
Hedge.
Monday,
Posted this an hour ago.
Ah,
That was a
That was a
Korean
couple of
one.
days ago, man. It was a couple of days ago.
That was a Korean tanker, wasn't it?
Oh, it says Thursday, May 7th. First Chinese tanker attacked in Hormuz as Beijing urges waterway reopen.
Oh, maybe not then.
What are you reading that on?
Zero Hedge.
Nah, there's no way.
How's your gold,
You're
Jonathan?
Chinese. How's your gold, Michael?
Great. $400 in profit.
Yeah, I don't care. I don't care. How can it be $400 in profit? Where did you buy?
I bought at 4721.
4721.
Yeah.
No, you didn't. There's the
Look at
4721.
my screen.
There's not
Look
even.
at my
There's not
screen.
even a. It never went down there.
No, he took it
47.
before the
What did you
stream.
say?
Look at my screen.
You took the trade before the stream.
Yeah.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you're disqualified. I can't see it because the preview here on Video Ninja is too. Okay, the entry is 4721. 4721. How can you be up 400? What's your account size? 100? And what is that a two-step?
I'm using 90% of my margin.
How many? But that packs. How can you open a 95 lots position and I can only open a 20? Wait a minute. Why does he have so much more leverage than me? Alex, why does he have so much more leverage than me? Have you increased his leverage?
What are you trading? What's he trading?
What are you not listening?
No.
We're trading the same asset, and I can open 20 lots on PAXG. He can open 95.
Yeah, but are you in drawdown?
Not a lot.
What's the account balance?
My account balance is where's my window? My account balance is 99.8, 99,800.
Okay, Michael, and what is your account balance?
99,703.
Okay, is there a reason why you're not sharing with Jonatan?
Have you who set this account up for you?
He sent me an ugly picture of myself, so this is my revenge. I got his leverage lowered.
Okay, the injective trade failed, so going to close that position.
Alex doesn't
BNB,
care, Jonathan.
yeah,
Alex doesn't care.
BNB is still on, but it's not doing too much right now. USD is now.
Surely
pushing
there
out.
has to be something wrong here. Can I short? Oh wait, I can actually enter more lots. Okay, let's go. Let's go. I'm going all in on this. I am shorting the hell out of this market.
Yeah, PAXG. I bet.
All right.
PAXG is going down right now. Let's have a look.
Yeah, I'm winning this. I am winning this.
No,
Okay, we got
PAXG
5
is
lots.
still stuck in.
I'm
stuck in a range.
full free margin $400. Suck on that one, Michael. It's over for you.
Do you remember the last time I managed to rage bait you into trading gold?
Do you think I remember that? Honestly,
The last time I did that
I
on stream.
remember. Well, I do remember you irritated me quite a lot. So I did take a trade just straight out of frustration,
Mhm.
and I do remember that it might not have ended well.
Yeah.
Like this one
I don't
is
think
not
your
going to end well
your
for you.
account ended very well with it.
No, but this is not going to end very well for you as well. Either, I mean. English, I mean, it's a difficult language.
Yeah. Void remembers
Oh,
it.
it's even. Yeah, he remembers. Okay, there's a lot of stuff going on here.
So you went
Oh,
full in
look
on
at that
you went
move.
full in on PAX, did you? Sorry, is that what you said?
Yeah, fully short on PAX. Yeah, because
Good.
Alex said it's going to go down.
Good.
At about 20 seconds after he said that, it is pumping.
I love how you took Alex's signal. Oh dear.
Signal? What signal did I give?
You
Where?
said the PAX was gonna sell.
Can I ask a question? Where do you see it pumping right now?
On the 1 minute. That's what we're trading. The 1
On
minute.
1 minute.
Oh, you've seen it pumping on the 1 minute.
Yeah. That's what we're trading. The 1 minute. That was the rule. That's the one that I'm sticking to. I'm not sticking
But
to
you
any
know,
others.
Alex is like, he likes competitions as long as it's winning. And
He
when
like-
he's not
he like-
winning,
he
like,
like
guys, I think
literally-
change the
literally-
rules here.
It pumped to the top of the range and now it's stuck.
Yeah.
just pointing it out there, you know, it's like what kind of
It's still
pump is
going.
that?
It's still going.
Guys, I think
underwater, Jonathan.
What are you saying,
yeah, I
Ayush?
mean, looking at the price action, I think wearing makeup is much easier. I'd do that.
Yeah, probably. BNB is not doing anything.
But we are trading gold only.
What if Anastasiia loses? He's
She's
gonna
got to
wear
be here
makeup.
first.
That's true.
If she doesn't join and she doesn't trade, then what, does she just sit in the middle of the pack? And whoever just loses the most is the loser. If she doesn't trade, then she's already saved herself.
She's probably gonna win it by not trading.
Reserve your capital.
Yeah.
Well, what are your thoughts on Bitcoin, guys? Like into the end of the week, are we gonna hit 84, 86,000? Like or at least I've been projecting. Or are we just gonna plummet down from there?
I gotta say,
don't know, I think
Bitcoin looks good. Bitcoin looks good, man.
I think we're going higher.
I don't know, man. I think I feel like it's a little bit too slow,
It's
isn't
like-
it? I mean, we see.
Yeah, I feel the same way. It's like, we were talking about Bitcoin 78,000 the other week. Now it's 80,000. It's only $2,000 more. It's like,
Look at where we
feels
are
very
on
slow to me.
on a month.
Yeah.
Look at the
Okay.
weekly. You'll see we're coming up into the most important resistance for Bitcoin. The area between like 80 and 85. But I feel like you look at the U.S. stocks, you look at the S&P 500, you look at Nasdaq. They're absolutely soaring. They're pumping like crazy. Gold,
Yeah.
obviously, also moving very nicely. But then Bitcoin, which is supposed to be the most volatile risk asset out there. So when the economy kind of flips into a more risk on mode, then Bitcoin should be the first asset to move, but it's not. It's the only asset that is actually in a bear market. So it's quite telling. You know what I mean? Like nothing has changed fundamentally.
We have got bearish divergence as well on a weekly. So I don't know.
Come on, gold.
Whatever.
We'll see what happens.
I mean, it is
Yeah,
concerning that
gold
like
is-
Nasdaq is just going up, making new highs, and there has been no pullback. So I feel like when there will be a pullback on the Nas and the US 500, like would it make sense for Bitcoin to continue going up? Like I feel like we're gonna have a pullback soon in the Nasdaq. This is just like a straight moon mission on the Nasdaq 100, very similar
I mean,
on the S&P. So yeah, it's a bit concerning. The movement on Bitcoin is very slow compared to the equity markets. So I'm getting concerned about Bitcoin here.
Yeah,
Ooh.
I mean, I'm looking at Bitcoin and I'm
USD pumping.
definitely- Is USD pumping?
USD's pumping. Yeah, USD's breaking out of its little range.
What, on the DAX?
BNB is actually saved. Pardon?
On the DAX?
No, not on the DAX. I was looking at USD CHF.
Oh, okay.
Mike is winning.
I like how you're like the dollar's pumping and it's like, is it?
Just on one against a one currency.
Yeah, against the Swiss franc. Yeah,
Let's have a look at. Let's actually have a look on the DXY. Yeah, the DXY is going down.
Oh, I like that analysis.
PAXG though looks like it's pumping up.
Yeah.
I would be happy to get involved now.
In what?
If we can get a retrace on 47.39s, then I'll happily jump on a bid.
But I am so on the wrong side of this gold trade.
If we can get, on top of here and retrace, then I'll be happy with that. But it doesn't look like I'm gonna get it. Nah, it's really pushing.
Oh God. Well, I'll do what every sane person would do in this situation, and I am simply going to trail my stop up. I'm gonna trail my stop loss with price. I'm gonna front run price with my stop loss.
Excellent risk management.
Hoping that the idea of mean reversing is gonna kick in. That's what we're doing today.
I think you could probably get out break even.
I think you're right. The mind games are unreal, aren't they?
Oh no, there's too much. It's pushing too much now.
Medex has got a question on minimum trading days to get a payout. Are these days considered as profitable days?
No, you've got no profitable days. Let's say on instant, you've got a 40% consistency. So in theory, that's 3 days in profit that you would need to have to be able to take a payout. The rest, it's super easy, super clean, super, there's nothing other than just your drawdown and that's it.
There you go, Medex. Hopefully that answers your question. I think Wild Juices is asking when there's going to be a duck race. I think that's what he's saying.
Okay, we're going to do a duck race. Okay. Yes.
Distract Jonatan from his losses.
Can you put Roman? Can you put Jonatan? Can you put? Hold on a sec. You got Ayush and Mike in the same long on PAX, huh? Ayush, you're in longs on PAX as well?
Yeah.
You took an aggressive entry.
That's how I trade.
Yeah, that's how you. Very nice.
Well, someone has to take the other side of you, and otherwise, that's how the market works. That's the idea of supply and demand. Oh, for fuck's sake! Look at gold. It has like the most powerful bullish move, and I'm shorting it. It's bullish on all time frames. So I'm like, oh, let's short this.
Guys, I dropped a question. Where's the other question? Or just a day where you open and close a trade?
Yeah, but
we answered, mate. Yeah, it's not happening. It's a shame.
Can I what? Oh my God! Look at that! Look at that! Look at that!
Should I follow Jonatan and follow my TP as well?
I think getting out at the top. Don't forget we're at daily resistance. Getting out at where you said you were going to get out is
738.
Yeah.
We got 34 likes. At 40 likes, we'll do a giveaway. Okay, at 40 likes, we'll do a giveaway. And the word you can put in the chat is
yeah, if we can
my mind's blank. Oh, look at that! It's dumping. It's dumping.
It's one candle.
It's dumping. Look at that.
Oh, somebody please tell Marco to clip that up. Yeah, it's not dumping. It's still within the 1 minute candle prior. Wow. Anticlimactic, I think, is the best way to describe that one.
It's absolutely dumping. Look at that. It is going down. It is going down.
Okay, yeah. So it depends. The answer to your question on instant funding, you've got that. When it comes to profitable days on one steps, you just need obviously the 0.5% of your account needs to be in profit for that to be classed as a profitable day.
Michael, you're done.
No, I
You're
think I'll
done.
be
Look at gold go straight down.
All
Seems
BNB
that way.
starting to come back to life. But this is the nice trade that I'd look for on. We can get this, then I'll be happy to join. Just needs to come down a little bit more. But BNB's. That's why, do you know the amount of times where your trade is so close to getting stopped out and you close it for then it just to turn around? Sometimes it's more risk actually doing that than just letting it hit the take profit. Because I remember I did it the other day. There was like 1 or 2 pips from taking my stop loss. I was like, I might as well just cut the trade. As soon as I did that, it turned around and would have gone to TP. And it's just sometimes it's just not worth the risk when it's so close to the stop loss. Just let it hit because you never know what could happen.
Yeah, that's very true actually, because I've noticed in my trading experience, like once you're like, let's say 80-90% all the way to your stop loss, like you might as well just let the trade play out, hit your stop loss, because what you're risking is another 20% of your margin gone, or whatever risk you've allocated to that particular trade. So, if it's at 50% from hitting your stop loss and the setup isn't validated, then it makes sense to cut it. But if it's like at 90%, like just
it's no point.
Let it play out. Yeah.
Yeah, exactly.
How many likes do we have? Do we have 40 likes?
No, we need 2 more.
We're getting 2 more. Come on, guys, 2 more.
Come on, gold. Let's see if we can get. Okay, so BNB is.
Right, guys. So everyone in the chat right now. Wait.
A lot of my friends as well
I'll be back.
trade meme
back,
coins. I wonder if we did a specific account just for trading meme coins, like something with like higher leverage, higher drawdowns, higher targets, but specifically for that kind of stuff. Because I've got friends that they only trade meme coins. They don't even trade like the top 10 coins.
Mm-hmm.
So I wonder, and they've got pretty good edge, but then again, maybe it's an edge because the coins have just released in that moment. So I don't know. I don't know if people would like that or not. Let's see what.
I try to avoid meme coins in general.
Just because
For
why?
some trading.
Liquidity.
Yeah, liquidity is bad, and at the end of the day, it has no use case.
Yeah.
Why did Jonatan have to walk away just as PAX is going back up again?
Going up, yeah. So that was what I would say. I think we are taking support at the 4-hour support.
40.
That's why.
Yeah. Probably.
38 people watching. New records.
I love it, mate. Love it.
No, it was 50.
Oh, 50 is the record, is it?
Oh, is it?
Yeah. When in the thumbnail, you as a clown, when in that stream we got 50.
Oh, that's frustrating. If I just missed the bid on that.
On gold?
Yeah, I think so. I think I've missed it. Unless we actually start seeing this little push fail, and then, but nah, I wouldn't. I think I'd be less keen if it started failing right now. Yeah.
Mike, where's your TP at?
473769.
Jonathan came and we see your red candle.
Market's got scared. Can't hear you, you're muted.
Yo.
Yo. Yo. Yo. Yo.
God, can this thing do something? Like, seriously. Okay, here we go. Come on. See if we can get a retest on that. On this level.
Yeah, gold is absolutely dying. Look at that.
What would my
Trying to
risk be on that?
sell more, but I can't.
So it'd be $9. So
Are you seriously calculating risk?
yeah. 55. Okay.
All right, everyone in the chat, type gold dump. Okay, gold dump. Not one word, but 2 words. Gold dump. Everyone who types gold dump in the chat will be eligible for a giveaway. Okay, gold dump. Let's go. Let's go. Come on, why do you have to ban everyone?
Well, get what is this Nightbot thing anyway? Just get rid of Nightbot.
Yeah, we.
What does it do?
Abdullah says gold pump. Yeah, and he's not getting. He's not getting. Okay, gold dump. Gold dump, everyone. Come on. And we're doing a duck race.
Okay,
We're
I'm
doing
into
a
the
duck
duck
Look
race.
at gold. It's absolutely dumping. Imagine. Just imagine the look on his face when this goes straight down to 4,700. Okay, that's maybe a little bit too deep, but I mean somewhere down there. Maybe 720 maybe.
Hmm. So
Right,
what,
let's go.
So you can get to break even.
Yeah, something like that. Yeah. If I can just get back to break even, I'll buy some.
Okay, it's comping.
Yep. No, it's not. It's just
Yes,
it's
it is.
ranging. It's ranging.
What's yeah? Fuck's sake! I'm not getting in. Not happening. Oh, that's actually frustrating.
Okay, it's coming up to test range highs here.
Thank you, Abdullah.
Dump.
BNB's back in. I may add to this BNB.
I think we might need to change the term, Jonathan, to gold pump instead of gold dump.
I can't hear you. Did you say something?
Sorry, what?
Thing is, we're still like an hour away from New York to open.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Just like
it's like-
guys, I'm gonna sign off for the next hour,
Yeah,
and I'll be back in time for the New York Open.
All right. Let's see you later. See you
man.
later, Boris.
See you in a bit, guys.
I asked Claude if he could give me some names to drop in the. Never mind.
In a dialogue caught up with you there, did it?
Sorry, what?
I said your inner dialogue caught up with you there.
Yeah, exactly.
Wow, lovely break retest continuation on gold. Like
You need
super high.
gold pump is the new term,
Yeah,
I think,
my-
Jonathan.
Yeah, look at that on a 5 minute.
Alex, you're not reading your Slack messages, are you?
Nope. Oh,
Okay.
I've read yours, but I'm ignoring it. Yeah, what a miss.
Why have you both turned your cameras around?
What do you mean?
What do you mean?
Jonathan and Alex, your cameras have been mirrored for me all of a sudden. Okay. Sorry,
Professionalism. Okay, footsie I think is has potential.
I'm just happy sitting
All
in this
right.
gold. Make $1,500. Do nicely.
All right, guys, we're at 41 likes right now. Let's get that giveaway going. And we're going to do most likely 2 giveaways today. So we'll give another like target. We got 45 people watching now. This is a record. Of course, we have a lot of people watching because Mike is here. And as you can see on the thumbnail, he looks exactly the same in real life. I'm gonna change that. Don't worry. I'm gonna change that. I'm
Don't
gonna
worry, I'll
change
get
that.
you for that one.
Yeah. I want to make Jonathan a haircut so bad. It looks like a bowl right now. You look like a fucking bowl.
Oh, we're building up some momentum now. I don't know what's going on.
Yeah. All right. We got Anastasia as well. Welcome, Anastasia. How's it going? No. Okay. Now she's gone. Well, she was here. I'm just gone.
I'm just dying in the back from the comment about your hair.
I'm gonna book a haircut right now live. Okay, I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna book a haircut because
Just
I'm
do
gonna
what
get
I do.
back.
Wear a hat.
You're gonna book or you're gonna do the haircut live?
I'm gonna book one.
That is got to be that's got to be what happens to the loser. There, that's a great one. Jonathan's going to do his own haircut.
Oh my god. Okay, how do I log into this stuff? I got. Okay, let's go.
How are you, Anastasia?
I'm good. How are you? How are you, Mike?
I'm great. I'm up on gold and Jonathan's down. Life is good.
Yeah, life could be much worse.
Not for long. Not for long, Mike.
Yeah, really?
Should I just close this? I mean, I'm down about $1,000. I can easily make that back.
I think you missed the opportunity. It's just had a break retest, so I think you've missed the opportunity to get out. Like, you get out now. Like, you've missed the opportunity to get out of break even.
That was a long time ago.
Yeah.
The only chance of him getting out of break even was when he entered.
Fuck. Yeah, it looks like it's building up a little bit of momentum. Look, maybe if you put your stop up at like 47.65 and just see if it, spikes these highs and then comes back down. Like, that's the only thing that I would say. But spike those highs and then come back down like that, maybe. Go on, B&B.
Who got all the birds? Who's got all the birds in the background?
It's been doing that all bloody day. Every time I go to get rid of the bastards, it keeps coming back.
It's nice.
There's no way
that's
that's not your microphone picking that up. That's the microphone that only supposed to pick up your voice.
Who
Must be.
else has got a bird that is chirping right outside there on their balcony?
maybe Ayush.
Ayush,
Well,
Ayush, you got any birds on your balcony?
No.
It's kind of a nice sound, It's soothing,
yeah, it's like
especially
having-
when Jonathan is down.
Try having that sound all bloody day.
I mean, it's anti-stress for you for your trading.
Alex, look, the birds just come to you. What can we say? They're just drawn to you, aren't they?
Alex, but the real question
They leave
is,
pretty quickly though.
the real question is, are you up or down on your trade today?
Oh no,
Alex.
I'm up. I'm in a little bit of profit.
Then it's okay, the bird is fine, it's helping. If you would be down, that would be a different conversation.
That is true. So I'll blame
Yes,
it on the
but
bird
these-
if this fails.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah, 100%.
All right. What
Our
am I?
TP's
I'm
in
gonna.
sight. Our TP is in sight.
Nah.
What did you say,
nothing.
Ayush?
It's gonna.
You guys
Said-
started the competition already, or
There wasn't any
Yeah, we started,
competition.
but, I mean-
Jonathan decided 20 minutes before the live that we were going to do a competition without any rules, without anything. We're not even doing a comp. We're just trading normally, I think. I think that's what
I'm
I think.
doing a competition. I'm doing a competition. If you don't want to do a competition, that I'm gonna win this. I'm winning this. I don't care what
In
you.
what
Alex is
universe?
not doing competition because he started very engaged in the competition. Then 20 minutes later, it's like, you know what, I'm just gonna trade normally, and he started looking at other pairs because obviously he's losing.
Says the man who's in $1,000 drawdown.
This is nothing, Mike.
Ayush
That's
is
kinda dumb.
also he's also long gold, huh?
How
Yeah,
much
I'm
are
at
you
break
up,
even.
Ayush? You're at break even?
$15. Yeah.
Oh my god.
I don't like the range, and I don't usually trade gold on 1 minute on crypto.
Oh, it's a great adrenaline rush, Ayush. You should try it more often.
Yeah, I do it on
I feel
futures.
I feel numb, you know, to this. So, you know, like it's much. I mean, I get much more. I mean, that's obvious, though, isn't it? I was gonna say that I get much more of a adrenaline rush from winning than losing, but that's obvious, isn't it? All
I
right.
feel better when I'm winning. Yeah.
Markets are so slow. Bloody
What are you
hell.
looking at, Anastasiia?
Tomorrow is NFP, so it's a New York session before NFP. It's usually always slow.
Oh my god, the next time that they have for a haircut is the 26th. I'm gonna look like a troll. That's weeks from now. What the
Why don't you grow
why?
out? I gotta get rid of this bird. Hold on, guys. 2 secs. Take me off, guys. We gotta get rid of this bird. He's driving me nuts. Hold on.
All right, there we go. He's gone. Well, I kind of have to take that time though.
Is there only one person that can cut your hair?
Dude, I live in a town where there's like 4 people.
Four
So yeah,
people.
there's not
4 people to cut your hair, or just 4 people?
4 people in general.
Oh god. So what do you do like all day, other than work? Like if you want to go out to something like do like socialize, what do you do? How do you socialize with people? Or we
Doesn't-
like your
He
social?
doesn't. He goes to the forest and drives remote control cars.
Well, if I
Oh
there's
my God.
there's no. Oh, look at gold, you little.
Stop shouting,
Look
man.
at that.
Like, speakers.
Am I shouting?
My neighbors are gonna be like, "What is this guy doing in his apartment?"
Well, no, there's not really any place to socialize around here, but I don't socialize with people. Like, that's not what I do. I sit here in my basement and then I go upstairs. What?
Sorry, I was just trying to mimic what you did.
Oh, okay.
Mm.
No, I'm man, I just work all the time. But
Yeah,
what
fair
you know what I'm gonna do this weekend on Saturday? I'm going in because obviously I live in a very small town. So if we're gonna do something, we need to go to an actual town, right? Which is like an hour away. So on Saturday, I'm gonna listen to someone who's like, oh, it's good, it's so insane.
How many thoughts and things are going in your head at the moment and coming out at the same time? Like there's like 3 different things coming out of your mouth at the same time, and I don't know how to keep. Anyway, I got a question for the chat. We got a question for the chat.
Okay.
This is an important question. If we were to add tokenized stocks, would you like that or not?
You were
Tokenized
talking about
stocks.
meme tokens, meme coins a second ago.
Yeah, but nobody really liked that idea. So tokenized stocks.
Yeah, yes, more variety. Someone said. Look at gold. Look at gold. I told you guys, it's gonna dump.
That's fine. Hit my TP as a stop loss.
Really?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, look at that. Okay, I'm down 280. Okay, I'm gonna close everything. How do I close everything quickly? Close everything. I'm gonna go long. I'm gonna go long. I'm gonna go long. How do I close it? Close, 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 close. Go. I need to go fully long here. All in on the long. Okay, remove that. How do I? You don't have the long button. I need to go long quickly. Oh, there's so many orders. Can I get rid of these? What the hell? Okay.
Oh,
Buy. 90 lots. Buy. Boom. I'm in. There we go. See?
You want to buy
Patience.
here? You sure you want to buy?
Of course I'm gonna buy here, and then I'm gonna buy back here, which means I'm gonna win this. And I'm gonna have a stop loss all the way down here. And now we just wait.
Mm,
Come on, guys, don't do this to me. Don't do this to me. You know you want to pump.
I don't know. I was in sell when it was going down. So
yeah, I think I'm going to go into a sell actually.
That's a stupid decision. I'm just saying that's not a bad decision. It's a bad decision. Look at that, it's straight at support. Can it go straight up?
On the 1 minute.
Not a wrecked lifer says dumb money cycle confirmed. Not sure what that means.
Me neither.
Is he saying that I'm dumb?
I'm sure he wouldn't dare.
Thanks. Yes, something like stock indices. Yeah, I don't think we'll be able to. We may be able to do stock indices, but you might as well just go over to futures for that. There's no reason to do stock indices with us.
Well, there are
Go
because
to
you can
trade
hold
it.
it. You know,
Go
you can.
Yeah.
Your speakers are very loud.
I know. Sorry.
Yeah, but that's only when I'm interrupting you. You know, if you can. Okay, we got jobless claims in 6 minutes. No, that's ADP, isn't it? Oh, well, maybe it's jobless claims.
in
yeah,
6
it's
minutes.
yeah.
Oh, FTSE's moving now.
Yeah, we do have jobless claims. Okay.
I reckon the short here is actually not a bad idea. If it closes like this candle, it's a lot more volume than the past like 20 minutes.
Talking on gold.
Yeah, it's like one candle is just taking 20 minutes worth of price action out. So I reckon a short here is fairly valid. Where could it go? I reckon, to the bottom of that range. I reckon you could get a short down to 47.23.
I think we're gonna pump. Oh my god! I just looked at the 4 hour. What am I doing going along here? Oh my god!
But didn't you say that you cannot look at the other time frames?
Yeah,
This
I did it.
competition
I'm joking.
Was the
I'm joking.
worst organized competition. I don't think any of us knew what was going on before we actually got on here. Nobody.
Yeah, but I told you guys like an hour we're going live. Let's do a competition. Let's do it. And then I said we're only gonna trade the 1 minute, and we're gonna look at the 1 minute. Yeah, I took a look at the 4 hour, but who cares?
Oof. Go on, should I? I could take a punt at going short on that, I guess. Yeah.
We need
why
to
not?
get rid of that night bug. We need to. I need to talk to whoever. I think who's that? Must be.
Alex.
No, not Alex. Yeah. Who is? Not Logan. Drew. Yeah, Drew. Probably. Well, what are you saying now, guys? Look at gold. What do you say? What do you have to say for yourself?
I'm going shorts.
Going short on gold?
Yeah. I haven't got
Cool.
enough margin because I'm in BNB. I can't.
Are you underwater on BNB?
Okay, so
No,
is anyone actually-
BNB looks good.
You're telling me not to shout in the mic,
Sorry.
but is anyone actually in profit?
Yeah.
No.
Yeah, a little bit.
Yeah, but Anastasiia, that doesn't count because you've been here, you know, not very long. So the more time goes by, then the bigger the chances of losing
Well, I
money.
can't quite figure out because I had $250 on profit and I closed it, and it's only $40 in profit. So is this commissions for the PAX?
Yeah.
Yeah.
My God. It was $210 commissions?
Yeah.
You kidding me?
Well, we're
Mike,
not supposed
Alex,
to
your
be
mic is muted.
scalping. We're not supposed to be scalping PAXG on these accounts. That's for sure.
I would say that, yeah.
Especially not with 100 lots.
We got someone in the comment section.
That's actually-
Personal Trader Crypto is asking, is Mike experienced trader? He looks very skilled.
It's a hat. It's a hat.
Yeah, it's the hat. You look like the dude from The Big Short.
Yeah. I'm experienced in time. 3 years. That's the only experience I have is time. Nowhere near experienced as the rest of these guys. But I'm well experienced with winding Jonatan up, which is my main contribution.
Sorry, what? I didn't follow that. Your
Doesn't
main
matter.
contribution is what? Okay.
It's winding you up. That's my main reason for being here.
Yeah. Oh, that thumbnail is so insane. Can you send me the photos that you sent on WhatsApp? Can you send the original files? I'll get them up on. I have a folder with all the hosts.
How do you want me to send them?
I can send you the link to the Google Drive, and you can upload them yourself.
All right.
We have jobless claims.
Alex, you're on mute.
4 seconds.
Yes,
You're
you're
still
muted.
Hey, you're muted.
You probably
Who is
turned your
muted?
volume down.
Me?
Yeah, you're still
No,
muted.
Alex.
Oh, Mike. Alex.
Still on
Alex.
mute.
He's still muted.
Turn your volume up, you numpty.
Probably somewhere on your mic.
Yo, 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 yo.
Yeah,
it's
we
good.
can hear you now.
Somebody told me to turn it down, so I turned it down right. Is anybody actually trading the Grand Cup?
No.
No? So the Grand Cup for Tradeify looks massive. It's going to be...
Yeah, it's pretty insane, yeah.
You knock one of the outlaws out. If you take one of those out, you get a 5k bonus as well. Like cash bonus.
It's insane.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, the way they've set everything up is just absolutely amazing. Well, hello, Gold. Switch over to my screen,
Yeah.
please, and thank you very much. Look at that. Look
Close
at
out.
that.
It's jobless
Look
claim.
at that. Hit the TP. Hit the
Yeah.
TP. Let's go. Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, look at that.
Nice
Oh
trade.
my god. Yeah.
Nice trade.
Yeah. Good stuff. Good stuff right there. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. How you feeling, Michael? Feeling good?
Yeah, I'm fine. I'm all good.
Good to hear. Good to hear. Let me know
Spell
if
it
you need
now.
any advice on gold. Any financial advice, you can always just reach out.
For
Reach
you,
out.
on gold.
Yeah,
Hmm.
obviously.
Yeah. Okay.
Come on, let's get the pump on BNB at least.
Are you
What?
Mike or Michael on Slack? You're Michael, right? Yeah, of
Michael.
course you're Michael.
Yeah.
All right. That's a good one. Now, I don't want to be trading gold anymore. Let's look at Bitcoin.
What about the competition?
He's changing the rules.
Ooh, BNB.
Exactly.
Yeah, I'm making the rules. I'm buying B&B here. 10,000 lots. Can't. Okay. How many can I buy then? 10,000? Nah. Okay. 100. Sure, I can buy 100. Yep. Okay. Let's go. Oh, look at that. I am in profit right away. Look at that breakout. Look at that breakout. Okay, where are we going? We're going to the highs right here. All right. It's need about $600 to get back to break even. Forgot initial jobless claims, actual 200K, forecast 25. Oh, that's not a.
Yep, B&B's pushing up. Roman, you can pop my chart up. Finally. Footsie as well.
Oh, this is wonderful. Alex guy looks like Bender from Ibiza. Is he new? So Alex is kind of like the lead guy here at Tradeify Crypto.
Looks like a Bender. Looks like a Bender, or looks like Bender from Ibiza. There's two different.
Probably a Bender.
Yo. Oh, God. Yeah, footsie looks. Come on, let's get some movement. Let's do something.
I joined you many times seeing Ayush, Jonatan, and Anastasiia, but Alex looks like on party, and Mike look cool guy. I like him. I like this guy. We need to get.
I like this as well. This is good stuff.
Yeah, I like this guy. And then he says, "Yeah, gold. Good job, long gold. Unlike the other noobs here, you are a good trade man." This guy got a special place in my heart right now. We might give him like some VIP. Can we do that? How do we do that? Can we give him like VIP status? We can't do that. I like that. Now Peter being banned as well. Why? It says, why does PAXG has high commissions? Well, because it's gold, and on Tradeify Crypto, and the token as gold doesn't have great commissions.
Same commissions across the board. 0.4 of your the overall value on the trade.
Yeah. SUP says Jonatan is the best trader in the world. Okay, let's do a giveaway. Okay, so as you guys know, we had, you know what? It's because I'm so nice today. We're gonna use to, whoa, the new guy gets VIP and not the Unk. How rude. I can give you VIP as well. I can't give anyone VIP, but let's see if I can just get everyone. Okay, if you want to get into the giveaway, just write something in the chat, all right? Then we'll. I actually can't do that. I can't see the whole chat. I don't know why. Oh shit, we gotta do it again. Okay, just write one in the chat, guys. Just write one in the chat. Everyone who writes one in the chat is gonna get into the. Okay, people write something. I said write. Just one. Write one.
Write something in the chat. I can't wait to New York Open. Just hurry up. Need some volatility, man. Need something. It's a shame we don't have music in here.
It's on the live stream, isn't it? We can't hear it.
We have music. It's on the live stream. Everyone watching can hear, but not me, not us.
Damn.
All right, so that BNB long is a little bit questionable right now.
Not looking good. Not looking good.
Jesse P says, I think Jonatan has a great voice. He can sing. I can't sing. I'm sorry, I can't sing. I really can't sing. Abdullah says, hey, do you think Alex looks like personal trainer in the gym? I don't know what that means.
Oh my god. Wow, man, these markets, I could fall asleep.
Yeah, it's pretty boring.
Who is short on gold?
I am.
I'm wait, Mike, you're short on gold?
Yep.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's breaking out. Short. I'm long. BNB. Yeah, I like that. Let's go. Look at that break and retest. Look at that break and retest.
You're long
Nice.
BNB.
Yeah. What sound is that? Who's doing that sound?
What sound?
What are you doing, Alex?
How can you hear that? I'm like literally just tapping on my table. That wasn't me.
You all can hear it.
Hey, your microphone's terrible. Right, we got everyone in the chat right here. We got new people coming in. So write a 1 in the chat if you want to be eligible to win an account in today's giveaway. 1 in the chat. You only have to write once. But if you haven't written 1, then you're not going to be in the giveaway. Then we're gonna do a. What are you doing, Ayush? Why are you hitting your mic? What has the mic done to you?
Yeah, okay.
You just got stopped out. You're like, oh, you're hitting the mic and just shaking your head.
Trying to still keep smiling on the live stream.
Yeah.
I think the trading on 1 minute is really tough in crypto.
Nah, it's not tough, man. You just have to disconnect yourself from your emotions. Like nobody cares. That's the thing, right? When I started streaming and I was trading in the 1 minute, I was losing my ass every single time. And then I remembered, nobody cares. Like nobody cares.
It's true.
So why should you? Nobody else
Exactly.
cares.
No
Why
one
should
cares.
you?
People are just here because they want giveaways. Nah, I'm kidding. I love you guys. You're here for the professional education, which we're giving a lot of today. Look at Mike, he's shorting a gold rally.
Orihime, I think we have Orihime04. I know you. Why do you need an account? You don't know anything about trading. You're typing 1.
But who?
Oh, no chill, huh?
Oh my god. Alex, show those muscles. Look, we want to see the muscles. Come on, Alex. Come on, Alex. Look.
Show the muscles. You got me on like the full screen.
Oh, that's awkward.
That's why you put me on the full screen.
Oh my god.
God,
That
tell
was
me.
awkward. All right, let's see. We have any?
I think it's just going to be one of them slow days.
Yeah.
Wait, hold on a second. Are you doing a duck race? What are you doing?
Like Chris,
Wow. EU.
what's happening with EU? Like, we're not supposed to look at the forex market, okay, Alex? We're
not looking at the forex market. I'm just saying EU's pumping.
So is GU.
Yeah,
EU looks nice.
pretty good actually. Yeah, I'm thinking EU probably goes to 1.19 soon. Gold is strong. I mean, gold is very strong. Hitting that range EQ. I mean, if gold can probably break out here, it's probably gonna go up to like, you know,
Well, it has.
4.850, something like that.
It's already broken out, isn't it?
Yeah.
And you're stopped out, Mike?
Yep.
That's a shame. I'm so sorry for you.
I
know.
reckon this little pump will get maybe to 47.70. I think that's the next area. That's what it looks like.
Wild Dude says 5 hosts, no conversation. Isn't that what we're doing? We're talking to each other all the time, like way too much. Aren't we talking to each other?
Nope.
Really? Because what I'm hearing is just a lot of voices.
You gotta-
Oh dear.
Right, if
Lot
you
of
haven't
voices.
written one in the chat, then do so right now, because we are going to be running the duck race in about 2 minutes, guys. We got 2 minutes. If you have not written one in the chat already, go in and do so in the comment section right now. Quack, 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 quack. Voices in your head, that's concerning. You know, we all have inner thoughts, right? Like we
Where's
we,
this going?
we all have an inner dialogue, right? Is there
Well-
anyone here that does not have an inner dialogue? Like when you actually, you know,
Can you
think
give us an
through things?
insight into your inner dialogue?
well, it's not what. So you're telling me if you're gonna do something, you think through the steps of doing the things, right? And you have an actual inner dialogue with yourself. No, that doesn't happen for you guys. No. What?
Yeah, it depends.
You are the special one.
Yeah, you are the special one.
He's having an inner dialogue right now.
No, anyway, you guys suck. Let's run the giveaway. Got a lot of people today. How many do we have? We have in the duck race today, we're gonna have 59 people. Nice. Nice. Personal trader says, I have inner dialogue. Good. I'm glad you have. Can then be friends.
We got 44 likes.
Very nice. Good stream.
Yeah.
Especially for a small account.
Yep. Very good. Very nice.
But nice. It's good. PAXG looks like he's gonna push up and break. Go on, son.
BNB looks pretty strong as well.
Yeah, BNB looks good.
Okay, we got two 2 minutes is up. Okay, we got about one more. We got 60 people. We got one more coming in. Okay, guys, I'm gonna be adding. Do we have one more? I believe one more. And then this is gonna be the last person that enters today, and then we'll run the actual giveaway. And remember, guys, you have to the email You have to add your email to your YouTube profile. So please go ahead and do that right now. Even if you don't win, that's going to make things much quicker. Because if you win and you have the email on your profile picture, I mean YouTube profile, then you're going to get that. You're going to get that account very quickly. Okay, how long should we be running this? Should we do like 20 minutes? So 1 minute is good, right?
Yeah, 1 minute is good.
All right, let's go. Colors and customs. Yeah, of course. Colors and customs. Colors only? Nah, colors and customs. Of course. Okay, you guys ready? Let's go. Let's go. There's a lot of people in here. Okay. Wait. We need to add something. I need to add myself. Okay, there we go. All right, guys, you ready? Let's go. Am I sharing the sound? No?
No.
That's a terrible sound. I need to get screaming in my ear.
Just mute that browser window.
Ah, that's
Just
right. I
click
can
the-
do that.
Click the speaker
I know. Nice. Oh, we got Void right here. We got Void up here. We got who do we have? Geomir, you already have like 4 accounts, so you're not gonna get another one. We got Bad Karma, Wild Use. I got my money on Wild Use. Right here. This is the one. Number 1. I got my money on number 1. Number 1's gonna take this home. Yep. Let's go. Oh, look at that. Look at that guy. I got Wild Use. Got this. Finest Gen Trading. You're not gonna win this. Sorry. Come on, Wild Use. You can do it. Ah, there we go. That's the winner. Nidhi Harma. Something. That's definitely how you pronounce that.
Ayush, do you want to correct him?
No, I'll let him do it.
Nidhi Harma.
I think it would be Sharma instead of Harma.
Would be what? Nidhi Sharma.
Sharma, yeah. S. I think the
Sharma.
S is missing.
Nidhi. Well, there's no S in here. It's Nidhi Harma. Congratulations, Nidhi Harma. Where are you? So you got 2 minutes to claim the prize. If you can't claim the prize in 2 minutes, we're gonna do this again. So this is to make sure that people are actually, the people actually in here are the one who is going to get the account. All right. Actually, let's make that one. Let's make that 1 minute. Okay, I've got 1 minute. You get a post in the chat if you want this account. If not, we're just gonna give it to another one. All right. Like he's not here. Void asks, "Do you speak French?" Anyone speaks French here?
I understand 50-60% maybe.
Okay.
Jonatan. Yeah. Fucking hell.
Right. Not available. Okay, we're doing it again. Rerun. He's not here. Let's go. Okay. Are you guys ready? Reshuffle. Yeah, we're gonna race again. Let's go. Start. 1 minute. All right. What if
Oh, Nidhi Harma is in the chat.
yeah, but it's too late. Right, who's winning this? Let's take a look. Ah, come on. Let's go. Oh, get a panda. Get a panda. We got the Statue of Little Liberty here. Let's go. Let's go. By your own Powell. Almost had it there. Oh, who's gonna win this one? We got a Viking over here. Oh,
Congratulations. Congratulations. Well done.
didn't. All right, you get 1 minute. 1 minute to claim your prize. So you have to just write in the comment section that you're actually in the chat. If you are, then you will get a. Oh, there you go. Wait, didn't you win yesterday?
Guys, I'm gonna love you and leave you. Okay, I've got to go, but great stream, and I'll see you guys
Great
later.
stuff.
All right.
Yeah,
Bye.
man.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
I'm gonna have to jump out soon as well. Look at B&B though. That looks absolutely amazing. Nice. So when Boris comes on, I'm gonna have to jump on off.
I'm off myself as well. So pleasure to see you guys.
Wow, you guys all leaving, huh?
Yeah.
Well, Alex and I were only supposed to be here for the first hour, so you've had us for an extra 55 minutes. So
that's right.
So yeah.
Goodbye, Ibiza, Alex. He says.
Yeah. Anyway, I'll see you guys next week. Take it easy.
Hey, Mike. Thank you.
Take care, man.
Bye-bye, Mike.
Jonathan, you still here for 2 minutes?
Yeah.
Okay, 2 minutes. I'm gonna change the AC because we were just working in the AC in the office and I'm freezing to death for the last 15 minutes. 1 second. Gotta turn back.
Of course. All right. Let's see. We got what do we have? B&B right here. Looking good. Looking very good. Well, I'm still not gonna get back to break even though.
Why you guys zoomed in?
Oh, look at that. Look at my beautiful lightning. Look good. Looking good. If I can think Roman in the background is checking, making sure everything is set up for the screen share and everything. Now you get us. Let's see. What do we? Let's see if we can do another giveaway. If we get enough people to like. Let's see how many likes we
need
are.
2 more for 50 likes.
2 more for 50. Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I did say that we were gonna do another giveaway at 50 likes. So yeah. I guess that's what we have to do. Okay, we got B&B coming close to that TP. Looking very, very good. I know this personal trader crypto guy in the comment section saying, "Bye, Mike. I like you. Hate." That is a very special thing to write. All right. So we got the winner of the giveaway now. You need to go in and you need to add your email to your YouTube channel. Ah, you like his hat, not hate. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. That makes more sense actually.
I think we got 50 likes.
50 likes. Really?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So if anyone new is popping into the channel here, make sure that you type 1 in the chat if you haven't done so already. If you were not in the last giveaway, type in a 1 and we're gonna get that next live stream going. Did I say live stream? I mean giveaway. Because I was reading live stream. Right, good stuff. We got a lot of views today as well, so that's awesome. Okay, so we got BNB here coming close to the TP here. I think I'm gonna just lower that TP just a little bit, and then I'm gonna increase the stop loss here. And I obviously want to, you know, obviously want to get back to break even. Well, we got Bitcoin here breaking out on the lower time frames. Maybe that's a potential signal, but I don't think so. We got Ethereum, XRP, Solana, Doge. Cardano looks pretty strong here. We got XMR.
The daily open on Bitcoin and Ethereum is really bad today on high time frame. It's like piano keys on 4 hour. It's like down, up, down, up. Because of the news we have, I think, on Friday.
What news was that? I can't remember.
FOMC.
Oh, FOMC last Friday. Yeah, that's right. That's right. That last Friday, man, time flies so quick. Ayush, are you in any trades right now?
I was in gold. I'm out. I was in longs. Got break even with that one candle at 820. And I thought to full port with you longs, but I missed it.
I'm gonna go long on Bitcoin here on the lower time frames.
I think it looks good.
Opening a position on Bitcoin right now. I'm gonna be probably just trailing it up to around this level right here.
Long as well. I need to do it on different browser.
I'm going to show you guys something really cool that I'm building in it's still a work in progress, but I have so you guys, you've seen this overextension. You can switch to my screen, Roman. So we have this overextension scanner for the crypto market. This basically scans the market on a daily basis and then shows all the crypto pairs on Tradeify Crypto, where just give me a second here. That is overextended, right? So that's something that I've built, and I've already showed you guys this. And here's a heat map of the same thing and a table for that. Now what I've built as well is a this one right here, which is I've created a basically okay, so I have a server, like a server in my living room where I have Claude Code working, and I've set up a system where Claude Code is connected to a backtesting engine software called Nautilus Trader, and it's using the Entropic API to send questions to the Entropic API about different, come up with doing research on different trading strategies, and then the result of that API call gets added into Claude Code that connects to the Nautilus Trader to test the ideas in backtesting, and then it gets added to a database, and that database is visible here on the web interface. So it's a completely autonomous trading strategy development, and here you can see all these strategies that have been developed by the AI. So it's actually not me developing the strategies. I'm mostly just going through the logic and everything to make sure it makes sense. But let's take a look at some of these. I think we can actually. This would be the one with the best walk forward Sharpe ratio. Well, I don't have. Obviously, it's still a work in progress. I don't have a lot of information on this right now. You can see the equity curve right here. But this is a work in progress. But the idea here is that these strategies that's on this web dashboard is going to be added to this software that I've built. I've showed you guys this as well. And this is the auto signals idea, where it has connections to the Anthropic API, and then it's going to be trading based on these signals, and it's going to take information from the strategies generated. So this is something I'm working with, and I'm hoping I'm going to be able to share this with you guys here on the live stream as well, so that we can perhaps get some live signals from these strategies, and perhaps take a trade or two live with this during the live stream. So it's really, really cool what you can be building today with AI. All right, Bitcoin is not looking great. Let's see what we get here on the lower time frames for this position. What are you looking at, Ayush?
I think the 4-hour looks really tough to analyze on crypto market today, because we tapped the support zone. Also, if we talk about MMT chart, we are in the let me add Ethereum over here. Show you guys that we are actually tapping a very important area on monthly, which is the so we tapped the previous value area high and the same value area high of the monthly candle, and that's looking bad for Ethereum. And I feel that we'll get more idea about it when we come out of range on 4-hour, because it's just bearish candle, bullish, another bearish candle. So I think we are not in a proper trend. For bearish, I feel we need to go much lower for confirmation. And if you look at trading view, let's go on 4-hour. We have this support area on Bitcoin and also on Ethereum, which is weekly open, working as a very strong support area. If we close below on 4-hour, we can get something like this and can go lower till monthly open at. I'm not sure about the bear movement right now, but we need some closure below the higher time frame support area, then we can go much more lower. And same for Bitcoin, we need it to close below, but right now we are just in a range on lower time frame.
Yeah, guys, I gotta jump off. Gotta record some videos before the kids get home. We see Boris is in here as well, so I'm gonna wait till Boris comes on. I'm gonna close this. I'm gonna close this Bitcoin trade here. I'm gonna go to BNB as well. I'm gonna hold. Oh man, BNB was so close to my TP there. Yeah, I'm gonna keep this one open. I need to keep this one open. It's just a small loss if it hits. Yeah, that's right. Giveaway. I forgot about that. We're gonna do a giveaway. Sorry, guys. Yeah, let's do the giveaway. So if you were not in the previous giveaway, write a 1 in the chat, and we will add that. SVP, you're already in the list. If I win, we're gonna double it and give it to the next one. All right, 1 minute. Let's go. Let's do this. All right, we got, who do we have here? Machiavelli is in the lead here. No, almost. We got Velocity Trading 10. Adam Das is not going to win this one. Wild Deuce is in a good position. We got Psyops is in a pretty good position right here as well. Oh, we got Memdex. Let's go. Right, who do we have? Oh my god, I'm so tired today. Bad karma.
Welcome back, Boris.
Hey guys, how are you doing?
Hey, Boris. How are you?
Oh, look at that.
I'm good.
Look at me. Am I gonna win this? Am I going to win this? Yeah!
Oh, yeah.
Holy shit, I won. I won.
So now we're giving away 2 accounts.
Yeah. Okay. Shit. Okay. Well, I'm happy Alex is not here. Right. So, yeah. Nice. Okay. So we're gonna do 2 more giveaways then. Let's go. Wow. No, me winning actually means you're getting more accounts because now we're gonna give away. We're gonna do two accounts.
Scalping Queen. Going back.
All right, let's go.
Psyop. Again, going back. What if Jonathan wins again? We'll do 4 accounts.
Hey, that would be cool.
Yeah. All right, let's go. Oh, look at that! Look at that! Evil mastermind is stopped. All right, who's gonna win this? Yeah, it's gonna be Velocity Trading 10. Yeah, Velocity Trading 10. Here we go.
Wow.
Nice. All right, congratulations. Let me know if you're in the chat. You're gonna get 1 minute to claim the prize. If you're not in the chat, then you can't claim it. And then we'll be doing another giveaway. We'll make sure that everyone who is winning actually is in the chat and watches the live stream. All right, he's here. Okay, so add your email to the YouTube channel, and once you have that email to your YouTube channel, your profile on YouTube, somewhere, could be in the description or wherever, then you will be gifted an account as soon as that is done. Okay, let's go. Let's race again. We get another account to give away. All right, who's gonna win this one? We got 15 seconds. All right, there we go. Real Life Trader 27. Let's go. Let me know in the comment section. All right, 1 minute to claim your prize. Let me know in the comment section. right. Are you in the chat? If you're not in the chat, then we go on to the next one. And it looks like you're not in the chat, so we're gonna give the account to the next winner. Let's do another one. All right, here we go. All right, let's see what we get here. We got daylight trading in the very lead here. If we're gonna get anyone else catching up.
PKM Sniper.
PKM Sniper. Let's see. 1 minute to claim your prize. And okay, so PKM Sniper, you gotta be in the chat. You gotta be in the chat to be able to win. All right, come on, guys. You gotta get in. You can't just drop your, the one and then leave. You gotta be actually watching the live stream. I mean, the idea of doing giveaways here is to actually give back to the community. So we want to keep it fair. We want to make sure that we're giving accounts to the people that are actually watching. That's right as well. People need to make sure that they're watching live. Yeah, you need to click that red live button. So if you're not watching live, it's going to be a little bit difficult for you to win an account. That sucks. Then they're watching the replay and they see that they won an account. That's too bad. But that's what it is. That's life. We can't be doing this all day though. So let's run another one. I'm actually going to go in and I'm going to set this to 30 seconds.
You're doing another one because... okay.
Yeah, I didn't claim it. Okay, let's do another one. We're doing another giveaway. Let's go. Yeah, I should have done a new list. Next time I'm doing a new list. It's absolutely true, Wild Use. I'm going to have to do that. All right, let's go. That's a good idea, Void. I'm going to look into that. So apparently you can do split screen in Brave browser. I'm going to look into that. Okay, Trader CN. There we go. Get one minute to claim your prize. Trader CN, please tell me you're here. Otherwise, we're just going to be doing this over and over again. Gotta be in the... How do you actually do the split screen, Void? Maybe you can let me know.
I think the split screen feature has in Microsoft Edge browser as well.
Okay. Yeah, but I don't know who's the second one. So no one here. Like, is no one here? Is no one here? Oh. Yep, okay, we're doing another one. All right, so there's actually no one here. Wait, you know what? We're just gonna do, let's do 30 seconds. Okay, let's do last one. Okay, last one, or I'm just making a new list. It's not working though. I have split screen now, but it's not showing. I can only share this. What if I do this though? Yeah, no, I can only share one of them. How do I get out of split screen now?
Congrats, Vanshika Sani 6229.
Okay, but yeah, I'm not gonna try. You're the winner. Congratulations. Are you in the chat? I'm gonna give it a minute. If we don't have if this guy is not in the chat, then yeah, we're just gonna do another list quickly. Really? Wow. You're not here? Okay, let's do a new list. Okay, so everyone just write one. Just write one in the chat, and we'll get a new list set up. Just write one in the chat.
Oh, she's in the chat now.
We're in the chat?
Yeah, Vanshika Sani. The yellow profile.
Okay, well he's actually here, so there's no new list. Sorry guys, he's actually here. Yep. No, wait a minute, that can't be him because he never wrote anything. How is he even on the list? That can't be him. Because he never wrote anything. You're not, because if I click his name and I go to channel activity, he has only written 3 messages and none of them is a 1. So let me actually look at this to see if he's actually the one. Oh my god, this is... No, you never really wrote anything. Yeah, I'm checking about, but you never wrote 1. You never wrote... Oh, maybe you did. You did. Wait a minute. Maybe you did. Oh, he actually did. Okay. Yeah, no new list. Oh, god damn it, guys. I'm tired today. Let's just... Okay, you got an account. Congratulations, man. You actually did write 1. Good stuff. Good stuff. Congratulations. You have an account. That was close. Just add your email to your profile on YouTube, and then you're gonna get an account. All right, congratulations everyone who won. We have 3 winners of 3 accounts today, and I'll be leaving you guys. Boris, Anastasiia, Ayush. I will see you all next week. All right.
See you, Jonatan. Thanks a lot.
See you, Jonatan.
Take care.
Have a great weekend.
You too.
All right. I think that's enough of the talks. What are we thinking about Bitcoin?
It's looking bad. On 4 hours.
Really?
It's looking really bad, yeah.
What are you looking at?
I'm looking at piano keys on my chart.
It's looking really
After the
bad.
daily.
Why is it looking really bad?
Because we have the 4-hour candles up and down for at least after daily open. So we don't really have a clear direction, for intraday trades. We are in support, but we are not going up, and we have resistance, we are not going lower. I think maybe because of FOMC, and Anastasiia is really quiet today. I think it's good if she break down gold for us, so we can get an idea what we can do after FOMC.
I have no clue. I'm actually waiting. I'm quiet because I'm waiting for the NFT. It's my resistance. It's in between two of the volumes for me right now, between the monthly one and the target where I was waiting at for, and in between the other one. So I'm actually waiting until something happens here. Something is going to get solved because like it's either the price is going to close above 47.55 for the futures or below 47.45, and at the current moment we are consolidating here in between those two areas, and most likely we're gonna have this consolidation continuing until the NFP. So at the moment I don't think it's something is gonna happen.
Yeah, and we were trading around 1 minute.
Boris, what do you think?
When is NFP coming out?
Tomorrow.
All right. For some reason I thought it was Friday already.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's Thursday. Yeah, so tomorrow, when we won't be here. Yeah.
I think we'll be on Discord. Anastasiia, are you going to join us tomorrow on Discord? She didn't hear me, I guess. She's on mute. You're on mute.
I think my connection was cutting, I think. Can you repeat?
Are you going to join us on Discord tomorrow?
No. I don't know about the stream, so no one contacted me about this. So no, I have normally the calendar planned for like a week ahead, so it's absolutely impossible, guys.
Anyway, so it's gonna be me and Boris then.
Yeah, cannot. Like I would love to, but they need to know before.
What time is it going to be, Ayush? Like 9 p.m. or 9 a.m. Eastern?
Yeah, 9 a.m. Eastern.
Okay.
Same as we had for last 2 weeks. And we had many people joining. I think 15 people last week. I don't know how many we're gonna get tomorrow, but we're excited. And if you guys have any question, feel free to ask that, because we mainly do nothing for 1 hour. We'll answer your questions. And if we talk about Ethereum, we had a really good, I think after many time we had really good shot on Ethereum from the supply zone. And I think on daily we are tapping the same supply zone on daily time frame and coming back lower. But I feel that if we manage to go lower, right, on 4 hour, let's see, I think if we close below this price area, let me keep it here at 2312, I think it can go lower till monthly open at 2260, but Bitcoin has to come below as well. So are you guys bearish for short term on crypto or not, or you are still looking for pump?
Boris, you were long, right, all this time, so haven't anything changed for you?
No, I'm still holding my Bitcoin long from 78 to 400. So right now I'm looking at basically 2 levels, and I'll move this by accident. Okay, looking at 2 levels. So looking at this wick high from yesterday at like 82,800 or so, depending on the exchange. And then to the downside, I'm looking at 80,600 or 80,500 as support. So yeah, I'm bullish on Bitcoin as long as it holds this level. And you can see here on my chart being held by this ribbon, which is the 21 EMA, which tends to be a pretty good marker of support and resistance for Bitcoin on the 4 hour. So yeah, it's been holding this. You can see like how it's been acting as support. Like if you basically bought the 21 EMA each time it came down, you would have made a little bit of profit. And even on the last couple of 4 hour candles, like if you just bought support here, you would have made like 1% on Bitcoin. And if you apply like 10x leverage, that's like 10% ROI, which isn't bad. So yeah, as long as Bitcoin is above 21 EMA here and above 80,500, especially, I'll remain bullish. And then really I'm looking at this level at 83,000 for a push higher. If you break above here, then I could see this going to zoom out the daily here, but see look at the day rates a little bit. Yeah, I'm still targeting like this area. So around 84 to 86. This previous supply zone from basically late December of last year to early January this year. So yeah, still bullish. I don't really see a reason to get out of my long. Like everything from the daily to even the lower time frames look, the 1 hour looks kind of neutral here, but it's still being supported by this $80,500 level. So yeah, on the longer time frames, I'm bullish. I go down to 5 minute. Let's see. I mean, the 5 minute looks pretty bearish, but I don't really trade the 5 minute. So that's Ayush's expertise. The 5 minute looks kind of bad. I guess this is almost like a head and shoulders pattern at first glance. But it's just kind of like noise to me on the 5 minute. And yeah, same thing on the 15 minute. Like we really have to get above this point in order for us to get higher. But as long as Bitcoin stays above 80,000, I'll remain in my daily swing long. And yeah, what about you guys? How are you feeling on Bitcoin?
Feeling very slow.
I haven't looked at it for a while, for a couple of days, to be honest with you. But if it comes to my opinion that we reached pretty much one of the levels that I was expecting it to reach, we did have a pullback from here and it's coming back into the same channel. So I am honestly slightly bearish, I would say, like more bearish than bullish on BTC. Also, we did reach the previous volume here. So we had the monthly volume before, which we tested from one of the sides. It turned into the support. Now we tested it from another side. So even from the structural perspective and from the daily price action candle. So if we look into the daily candle, we will see that we had a huge week yesterday. So we tapped into 82.7 thousand. And now the price is just going back down. So we have the volume of the week above the price. We have the volume of the month above the price. So I would say that I'm bearish actually on this.
Anastasiia, can you please explain the line you have marked where the price tapped? Is it based on volume or something?
Yeah, it was based on volume, but it is slightly, because TradingView has like different weird volume or visualization. So one second, I can tell you. Here on the 4 hour time frame, if you place the volume profile over this whole movement to from up to down, so this swing, this bearish swing, this is going to be the point of control of it. If you go on the daily, it's going to be different, but it's going to be okay. It's going to be here. So it's more or less the same level. So this is why this whole zone is here, basically, because on TradingView is like not precise levels of the volume. But this was perfect. The price did go back here. This blue line is a point of control of the week, and the red line is a point of control of the month.
Yeah. So like why I asked you, because can you switch over to my chart, Roman? So like I have the similar, many times we have seen that we come across the same key level on crypto. So I was looking at this supply zone on monthly at 82,544, and if you look at 4 hour, we got some good reaction from that. So that's why I just wanted to ask that what level you are looking at, because it's good to know that whatever we mark, we are coming at the same place. So that makes sense that if we look at the volume profile or candles, if we do it properly, it can work best for us. That's why that was the reason I added volume profile in my model. Before that, I was not using it, but when I saw it works really well with the supply demand zone. Then I started using it. So yeah, you guys can have an example that if you see something working good on your model, so it's good to add it instead of getting second out. So yeah, G-Shoop is asking, can I chance to go on Doge and a bit and share your thoughts? Really appreciate it. in advance. Okay, let's go on Doge. I think Doge is going to do the same pretty much as Bitcoin, but I'm bearish on Doge on higher time frame. So we have the support area at 0.10 cents, and if we look at 4-hour, we can get a nice shot below this support area till this, because we have good range here. So I'm expecting here we have a point of control, and yeah, so it is bearish, not right now, but I need some more data so we can get a 1:1. As you have seen my chart on Discord many times, I trade 1:1, so I'll plan something like this till this support zone on Doge. Not right now, because we don't really have good confirmation for shorts. And do you have same idea, Boris, for Doge, because you are analyzing Doge from many weeks now?
Yeah, I mean, I'll look at it from a daily perspective. From looking at the daily here, let's see. It's kind of it's a tough one because, obviously we had a nice rally in Doge, but I was really looking for it to break above the zone at 11 cents. Right now we're kind of getting a retracement. And so if we start really falling below this level, like right now I'm looking at this as a retest on the daily around, like 11 cents. That's really good. If we start going below here, I think this is the extent of the rally. And I mean, we moved about 16% in the past week for Doge, which is pretty good. So I think what's most likely here is like we're going to get a pullback here. There's obviously a resistance from this value high.
I think we need to see a screen.
Oh, is it not?
Yeah, it's not now.
Thanks.
Now it's loading.
Okay. Anyway, yeah, I was just saying how we're kind of like testing this level again at 11 cents, which is from the high in February. So right now, kind of more neutral on Doge. I think we're gonna get a bit of retracement or pullback, or kind of go sideways and see which direction the market wants to go. But as long as we're near 11 cents, like I think we're right at support basically. So if we start going below it, we'll probably get a bit more bearish, but probably look at support at 0.1, like 0.103 would be the next level to watch. And then below there, we're probably going to go back into this range. But I think also if you break above 11 and a half cents, we can have this range back in play, or back to 13, maybe 15 cents. So on the daily, I wouldn't be doing anything here. I think you'll probably be taking profits because we're at resistance from the February high. And then, for me, I'm not interested in doing anything on Doge. It had a good rally, so too late to enter for a long swing, and I don't really see a reason to go short on it because there's just not enough selling momentum. Just kind of pulling back a bit, which is normal after an asset has had a decent run. So feeling neutral to bullish on Doge on higher time frames.
Roman, what do you think about Doge? Yeah. Come on, say something. Oh, okay.
Well,
but in general, if you talk about Doge, right, we talk about the rest of the altcoins as well. So do you think that if Doge would continue to go up, for example, it would mean the beginning of an alt season overall of some sort? what would you consider like a beginning of the bullish era for Bitcoin as well? Because now, okay, we've been growing, the price has been rising, but are we already, in your opinion, talking about the possibility that it's going to continue to go up since you are still holding your longs and you don't have the reason to close it? And if yes, then how long? And, because if we talk about the continuation of longs for Bitcoin, then, okay, are we talking about the all-time highs again? Is it something that you consider in the next month or?
No, not all-time highs. I'm just looking for this rally to test the 55 exponential moving average on the weekly. So yeah, this red ribbon is representing the 55 EMA. You can see how well that price action respects this moving average. Like we tested it back in March of 2025, had a nice bounce. Now once it broke below it, we were unable to recover. We tested it a few times and flushed down. So I think the key level is going to be like 85,000. So I could see a run up to 85,000. Probably going to see a lot of resistance, like a pullback. And if we can actually get above this level, actually get above like 85 to 90,000, I think a push towards 100K is not out of the question. But for me, for my trade, this is not on the weekly, it's on the daily. So basically, yeah, just targeting. Yeah, I'm gonna zooming out to the higher time frames for my take profits, and I think this is a good area. This 55 EMA zone. And we kind of actually almost got pretty close to it yesterday, and we've got up to 83,000, which is $2,000 shy of the actual 55 exponential at 85,000, no, 86,000. So yeah, there could be a bit of front running here going on, but yeah, definitely if Bitcoin gets to like 85, 86, 87, I'll be looking to take more profits. But yeah, for now, I'll keep my long open. But I'm definitely not looking for Bitcoin to get up to 125,000. That's gonna be crazy. I'm gonna have to see a move above 50%, over 50%. For Bitcoin to get to the all-time highs. I just don't see that happening. But we've already seen a nice rally from I guess since we started streaming on Tradeify Crypto, Bitcoin has went from the mid 60s to 80,000.
Yeah,
that's already 25%
quite a big growth since that one.
So I think 80, 85, 86 key level to watch. If you can get above there, then 100K will be in play. But one day at a time and 1 week at a time for me. But I will say I'm very bearish on Ethereum. Like Ayush, we've been discussing Ethereum Bitcoin ratio on the daily, and actually this one is on the verge of breaking down on the daily. Like this is looking really bad for Ethereum. Really drawing on the level here. If it breaks below here, it's gonna look very bad for Ethereum because Ethereum hasn't even broken above its highs from last week, or not even last week, like last month. While Bitcoin is, breaking out. So very heavy resistance at the $2,400 level for Ethereum. I'm just not bullish on it at all. It's one of the weakest. Really, it's one of the weakest altcoins.
Yeah, good for shorts. I feel.
Yeah, and even Doge is performing better than ETH. So I don't know what the reason is, like why Ethereum is doing so poorly, why it's lagging. But yeah, I wouldn't be bullish on Ethereum at all. If you look at even,
also,
yeah, go ahead.
No, we are coming below the strong support zone on Ethereum and Bitcoin just right now.
Yeah.
On 4 hours.
Also, if you take a look at, we look at Bitcoin dominance sometimes, but if you look at Ethereum dominance, like it's doing the opposite of Bitcoin dominance, right? So you can say like capital is flowing into Bitcoin, it's going out of Ethereum. So this is Ethereum dominance. So it represents 10% of the current market cap, while if we zoom out or zoom into Bitcoin dominance, like this is like rallying. So it's at the 61% level. So, you know, basically there's 60% of market cap in Bitcoin, only 10% in Ethereum, which leaves, I guess, 30% for altcoins, right? I guess we have to look at others, right? How is that metric looking like? Let me find it here. So if we take a look at others, so total crypto market cap, excluding, yeah, it's like a total 3. So I don't know why I have this circle here, but yeah, total 3, which is the total crypto market cap, excluding Bitcoin and Ethereum. We're currently at 750 billion. So right around this peak from March, like if we fail from here and just go down, this is going to represent the peak of like the altcoin rally. But if we can break above this 750 billion level, then I think we could see a little bit of a mini alt season. But yeah, I think the next few days are going to be very crucial for total, just the altcoin market cap and just pretty much all of crypto, to be honest.
No, I feel like intraday Bitcoin is gonna be bearish. Normally, it's something that, you know, right now it's forming is something that I would normally take a sell from it even.
Yeah, looking at AgriTrade, yeah, very negative order flow so far. So yeah, actually it's going back down to 80.5. Well, we were at just a few hours ago, we were at 81.5. So about $1,000 drop during the London session for Bitcoin, and now the New York session is opening up. So we'll see what happens. I think if we go below 80K, this is gonna be very bad, even for my swing long. So yeah, weird that it's going down, and I think Nasdaq is doing okay, kind of. Go to the 5-minute here. Like Nasdaq isn't looking amazing, but it's also not selling as much as Bitcoin. So, you know, a lot of weakness in Bitcoin compared to equity markets, which is again concerning, because my whole theory was that Bitcoin, once Nasdaq broke this level, capital would flow into Bitcoin, but we did have a decent move on Bitcoin, but it looks like everyone just wants to keep putting their money in the tech sector. And eventually we're going to see a pullback, because look at this, like how many straight green days have we had? It's like, I don't know if I'm going to count this, but like visualize like 4 red days versus 20 green days. And we haven't really seen much of a pullback, so we could see a pullback in the Nasdaq back down to this level, 26,000 or so, which would be an 8% drop, right? And that would still be just testing the previous all-time highs. Just imagine what will happen to Bitcoin if the Nasdaq pulls back here, and it's, you know, it's due for a correction one of these days. So kind of a tricky situation. Well, Anastasiia, what are you looking at? Are you looking at PAXG?
No, I was looking at Bitcoin at the moment. PAXG is still gold is still consolidating. It still didn't close above this level. Maybe if a 4-hour candle is gonna close above this level here in 13 minutes, then I'm gonna maybe consider some longs. But at the moment, we are still, trying to close with a huge wick to the upside again. So I'm still waiting for the 4-hour candle closure at least. I don't really like 30-minute candle also for, sells, for buys at the moment. So I'm waiting for the 4 hours. And for Bitcoin is normally it's my short setup because we are below the weekly, we are below the monthly point of control, daily one as well here. And the price is forming some kind of head and shoulders pattern too, which is showing that the price was trying to, we were consistently creating higher highs.
Yeah.
And then we had a aggressive move to the upside, then choppy move to the upside, and now we're creating the lower low for the first time. So even from the price action perspective, I feel like Bitcoin intraday is short.
Oh my god!
And I would be aiming for the price to reach at least 78k, 78.8.
Sorry, Anastasiia, I was shouting in between. It
Sorry?
was Doge. Doge went straight to my TP.
Oh, nice.
No, I was in, and it was done in, I think in 5 seconds. I don't think so. It will count as a trade. We have a rule of 10 seconds.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Let me check. It actually went through. So yeah, I think it got filled. Let me share my screen. I was not expecting it to be this quick. I don't think so it will count or not. Let's see what happens.
Does that rule apply for stop losses or don't?
No, it's just the duration. So I was in this trade and I was targeting this. Let's go on 15-minute. I was explaining this just before someone asked in chat. I went in and this happened, and I'm not sure. I have to ask Alex that, are we going to count this or not? And it was short. And I placed my TP at above the support zone at daily, which I was targeting this. After a long time, I saw something really quick, like NQ. It felt like a future trade for a moment.
Mm-hmm.
I think, where is my YouTube? So it went nice.
Do you have any other positions open or just on Doge?
No, only this. I was actually traded, but Jonathan said that we are trading gold, so I was trying something which I'm really bad at on 1 minute on crypto, especially in gold.
Mm-hmm.
I like to trade it on, I think, and that time I was missing Anastasiia analysis there. I thought if she would be joining us, then I can copy trade.
Mm-hmm.
Actually, to be honest, it's crazy because like the commissions on PAXG, I really didn't expect this. So if you trade 1 minute and you scalp, it has absolutely 0 point, like absolutely zero,
Yeah.
So it's crazy. I didn't scalp it before on the PAXG. I was taking the normal intraday trade, so it wasn't really so feelable.
Mm-hmm. Actually just looking at Bitcoin now on the 4-hour, I was talking about how it's holding the 21 EMA here and the $80,900 level, but since we started talking, we're not looking so bullish anymore. If we lose this next 4-hour candle, if we lose the 21 EMA support, I could see a move back down to 79,000. But we still have like 2 hours left for this 4-hour candle to confirm. This would be actually, if I was trading the 4-hour, I'll be going for an intraday short on Bitcoin myself. Actually, it's actually one strategy you could do if you're like a swing trader is you could be lowering the perpetuals and like short the futures contracts to hedge yourself. I'm not gonna do this because it's too complicated right now. But yeah, that's a technique you can use. Be long the perpetual futures and short one of the future contracts. Do you guys ever do that? Do you ever hedge that way? Like either, well, whether it's like Bitcoin or gold or whatever asset you're trading?
Anastasiia, you're on mute, I guess.
I personally don't, because I'm not really friends with hedging. I don't really understand it so well, and that's why I don't really hedge, because I'm not familiar with the whole, how to manage it. I would need to test it and things, but I don't, because again, I didn't test it, so I don't do it.
Yeah. Well, it's pretty simple and fair. For example, let's say you went long on Bitcoin on the daily and it's showing weakness on the 4 hour. You can still be long on Bitcoin on the daily and then short on another like futures contract. And same thing for like, if you're trading gold. So instead of like closing your position, you can hedge it instead. But just it's kind of I guess it's more of an advanced tactic. And if you're trading the lower time frames, it doesn't make sense. It's more of a swing trading strategy.
Also, I think Bitcoin is now taking support at 84.63. If we are getting close below that, we can go more lower. I think Anastasiia, what do you think? The actual bear movement is starting from the top, or we can go again higher at 85 and come back lower? What do you think?
I think for me personally, it's a top, and I think I'm waiting for the price to reach 79.9 or maybe 79.1K. So let's say from 80 to 79,000, and then from there, maybe yes, we would still see the move to the upside, because there is one volume, there is another. So I would say, okay, from here we can maybe see another upwards rally, and then from here maybe two. But until those levels, I'm definitely bearish. And if the price is able to break below this, I think we are going below 79. I think we are going towards, just 1 second. I think we are going towards even 76 back.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Wow, you're very bearish.
So that would be my... Yeah, I'm not bullish yet, but I mean, 76 is not really bearish, right? I'm not really expecting the price to go to 50 or something yet. So I wouldn't call it like overall bearish or something, it's just...
Yeah, like zooming out the daily, it's not looking that great. Like, we had a big upper wick here on the daily. So I didn't even realize how it's kind of looking ugly now with this daily candle. We have like 10 more hours. If it goes like this, it's gonna look like a local top at, what is it, like 82,000? And then I could see the next pullback to 78. Then yeah, maybe 76. Although for me, the I guess the what do you call it? The barrier to become very bearish is keeping this 21 EMA as support, which is coming in at 77,500 on the daily. I think if we lose 77,500, we're probably gonna go down to actually like back to 70. So I think my target could be even lower than yours. but we have a lot of room to see how this price action plays out over the next couple days, and then see next week.
Yeah.
Look at the reaction from that weekly open straight above. Also because we have some support at Bitcoin as well. That's what I like about crypto. When we are actually in a good volume, we'll see good correlation between altcoins and Bitcoin. I hate it when we are in range. And also, guys, we are wrapping this up in few minutes. We are going live on Discord tomorrow as well, and Jonathan has approved us to do a giveaway by our own, so be there. Me and Boris, and maybe Jonathan might do giveaway there, and maybe Anastasiia, if she wants to join us, we'll be very happy to have her.
I would love
No
to, but
forcing,
not tomorrow, but next time for sure. Would be happy to be there as well.
So any words, guys?
Yeah. No, I would say that be careful because tomorrow is an FP, so don't really rush into the trades. Sometimes it's better to wait until the next week, and the volatility passes. I would say it applies to all the markets. So trade safe, be trade profitable. Boris?
Maybe, wait, can we start the Discord stream earlier tomorrow? Because it comes out at 8:30. I think it would be fun to watch the price action at 8:30.
Yeah, why not?
Maybe we could start 30 minutes earlier. Yeah. Yeah, so maybe, I don't know, we'll change the start a bit earlier to cover the NFT.
Yeah, before the news, I think before 15 minutes we can come in.
Yeah, I could do that for sure.
Yeah. So we'll confirm that and let you guys know on Discord. I think Sunny will be doing the announcement, the actual timing. So make sure to join the Discord channel. And it's time for us to leave. See you guys next week on YouTube, but tomorrow on Discord.
Yeah. See you guys tomorrow and next week.
Yeah. Bye-bye.
All right. Stay safely.